This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. Yes, this is truly the day the Lord has made for all of us, and especially for you, Lauren and Braden.
Hi, my love. The countdown is over and the big day is finally here. Thinking back when I asked you to marry me, that was the best decision I ever have made. Words can't describe all the emotions I'm feeling today of love, excitement, and happiness. You are my best friend. You are my soulmate, but after today we will truly be one. I know that from this day forward we will begin a beautiful life. I promise from this day forward to love you unconditionally and always be there for you. I love you, Lauren.
Good afternoon, handsome. Our special day has finally arrived. Our forever will begin today. I feel truly blessed that God has brought us together. I have the goal of becoming the best wife I can be to you. I will forever love you, honor you, respect you, and take care of you until I am old and incapable. I want our love to remain obvious and strong and impossible to break. I will never go to bed angry, nor will I ever forget to kiss you goodnight. I want our children to understand our love for each other. I am ready to fulfill lifelong dreams with you as Mrs. Nescora. Love you always and forever, Lauren.
Braden, take you, Lauren, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life. Braden, take this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. It is my happy duty to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Braden Todd Nescora.
stars out tonight. I don't care if it's cloudy or bright, 'cause I only have eyes for you, dear. Now the moon may be high, but I can't see a thing in the sky, 'cause I only have eyes for you. I don't know if we're in a garden or on a crowded avenue. You are here, so am I. Maybe millions of people go by, but they all disappear from view. And I only have eyes for you. A day without you. I need your love to see me through. You're not here by my side. Maybe millions of people go by, but they all disappear from you. Only have eyes for you. Only have eyes for you. Are the stars out tonight? Could be cloudy or bright. Eyes so blue, kisses too.